Samsung has previously revealed that the flagship Galaxy S24 series will be launched on January 17 at the Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the three smartphones that will be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event. According to German website When Future Determining Sources, the Snapdragon Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will feature the Samsung Exynos 2400 processor in Germany and Europe and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC in the worldwide market. Meanwhile, in all countries, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. A 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels is expected to be a feature of the standard Galaxy S24. In terms of optics, the Galaxy S24 may include a triple camera configuration on the back, with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. The phone is expected to house a 4000 mAh battery that can be charged via a 25-watt charger or a 15-watt wireless charger. With a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a refresh rate ranging from 1Hz to 120Hz, the Galaxy S24 Plus Mayport has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The smartphone is also expected to have a triple camera arrangement that includes a 50MP main sensor, a 10MP telephoto sensor, and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The S24 Plus might house a 4900 mAh battery with 45-watt charging and 15-watt wireless charging support. A 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz might be supported by the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The higher-end Galaxy smartphone will feature a quad-camera configuration with a 200MP main sensor with a super quad-pixel autofocus OIS and super clear lens and two telephoto lenses with a 50MP sensor and support for 5x optical zoom and a 10MP sensor with support for 3x optical zoom. More importantly, there's a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera sensor with a 120 degrees field of view. With the impressive specifications and features revealed for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series, one can't help but wonder what groundbreaking innovation or feature would you like to see in the next generation of flagship smartphones as technology advances rapidly in the smartphone industry. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.